I started off my junior year knowing I wanted to go to school in a city, knowing I wanted to run cross country and track. I basically emailed as many coaches as I could, trying to figure out what school I wanted to go to, which ones I was able to get into, and for a while I was really set on a college in Boston. I emailed a coach and I sent him my running times and my SAT score, and he took one look at my SAT score and told me it wasn't high enough, and I felt really down. I was like, you know what, I'm going to do something about it. I'm going to figure out a program that'll help me get my SAT up. So I found TestRocker. I took my SAT in October of my senior year, and I got my score back a couple weeks later, and it had increased by 210 points. And that coach, I emailed him and I told him my new SAT score, and he was interested in me, but at that time I had already found the perfect school for me. And because my SAT score had increased dramatically, they were willing to give me more financial aid, which made my school cheaper than in-state tuition for me in Connecticut. My merit scholarship was $18,000 every year, so I'll have that scholarship for all 4 years. It was nice to have the option of applying anywhere with the new score that I had got.